Okay, welcome. My name's are Atticus. I'm a Jumia agent, but nimeanza tu juzi, unaona. Tuingia hapa mko wakiniuliza how you can become a Jumia agent, isn't it? So you'll be consulting customers, you see. And let me show you. This is just an app that we use we as Jumia agents. Indo app ya tunatumianga sisi kama Jumia agents. So you see here, these are my sales. You see 60,000 have been completed. These are the sales. As a Jumia agent, you have to sell, you see. So in this video I'm going to show you basically how you can become a Jumia agent, you see. Okay, let me take you through. So you'll just have to take my number. You can just take my number. Okay, for once, let me show you what is JFORCE to become a Jumia agent, you see. Let me show you about JFORCE. What is JFORCE? Just look. JFORCE, how to make online money. So you're going to become a sales consultant, you see. Okay, and this job is really good. You can do it part-time at work, you see. Okay, JFORCE, sales consultant scheme, be your own boss. JFORCE, you see what they're saying here. It's an online platform that is managed by Jumia Kenya. By joining JFORCE team, you become sales consultant and get paid through commission when you shop and assist. You see, in this job, you're going to assist customers in placing orders. The fun part of joining this program is that you become your own boss. You don't report or answer anyone unless when there is training. How does it work? Do you love shopping? If yes, then this program for you. Okay, simply, okay, ukiwa kwa hii job, you can buy products for your own and earn commission on those products. It doesn't matter if you're buying your own or you're buying for other people, you see. Okay, JFORCE is real and you get paid even if you're shopping on your own behalf, as I have just said, unlike the Jumia affiliate. Okay, disclaimer, Jumia Kenya does not give you products to go and sell. They don't give you products to go and sell. You just, what you want to sell. Ukitaka kuuza TV, ukitaka kuuza woofer, if you want to sell a TV, if you want to sell a woofer, you'll decide by your own self what you want to sell. How do I get paid? Commissions are paid every 10th of every month for the sales done previous month. Okay, commission you earn depend on the product category, you see. The commission varies from 2.5 in mobile products to 10% groceries, and average earned by an agent is usually 6%. Advantages of becoming a sales consultant. All sales earn you commission, whether you are buying for your friends or yourself. The more you sell, the more you earn. You get to earn an indirect commission by simply referring a friend. You will be given an indirect commission by just referring a new person to the work. You get to train for free. It's fun. You get to know the latest deals and flash sales. Okay. That's all about JFORCE I can tell you for now, but this job is really good. I've received a couple of good money that I could not have received if I. And the good thing about this is that you'll not have to pay any money for you to join this job. And I'm doing very well, by the way. Yeah, I'm doing very well. I can say that. You see here, I have 3 groups that I manage by my own self. I have many customers here. Many customers, they are looking for me, and I feel so good. This is a really nice job. So if you just want to join, please make sure to contact me through WhatsApp, through this number. You'll get me through this number. WhatsApp me, and I'll put it in the description for you to WhatsApp me, and we'll have to talk more, and I'll recruit you and become a Jumia Force consultant. You'll become a Jumia agent